Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today. We are pleased to present to you our topic, interpolation search and selection sort. In this presentation, we will focus on two important algorithms: interpolation search, a searching technique that is faster than binary search under certain conditions, and selection sort, one of the simple sorting algorithms. Will explains how they work, discuss an advantage and disadvantage, and show why they can be effectively applied in real-world situations. Let's begin with interpolation search.
Let me start by introducing interpolation search, which is a search algorithm used on the sorted array. Unlike binary search, which always check the middle element, interpolation search estimates the position of the target value by using a formula based on the value at the start and end of the search interval. This approach is especially useful when the data is uniformly distributed because it can potentially locate the target value, which favor competition. Next slide, interpolation search. Working participant is based on linear interpolation. We assume that the data is distributed in a linear way and we calculate the position of the target value accordingly. Imagine you are looking for a page in a phone book. If you are searching for the name Smith, you would start at the beginning or ever the exit be the. You probably estimate that is somewhere closer to the end. That the same idea behind interpolation sets.
Examples for application. Interpolation search can be very effective in cases where the dataset is range sources and areas described. For example, searching in sources database like customer ID list, looking up values in financial datasets, accessing records in a software preferred system. There's scenario around interpolation search to perform faster than binary search. Next, let's look at some sample codes. Advantage and disadvantage for interpolation search. Let's take at a look at one slide for using interpolation search. Advantage: faster than binary search in some cases, especially when data is uniformly distributed. It can compress in or long in time compared to binary search or long in. Fewer comparison size is doesn't just to go the middle, it predicts and more accurate position. In place algorithm is used or one additional space. Some is very memory efficient. Works work view for range datasets where random access is around way. This segmented only works with shortest array, perform poorly with non-uniformly distributed data for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1000, 1001. More complex computer example does not work view which link list or structures that don't around random access.
Now let's move on to selection sort, which is a simple and innovative sorting algorithm. Selection sort works by repeatedly finding the smallest element from the unsorted portion of the array and placing it in the correct position at the front. It keeps expanding the sorting section of the array one item at a time. Let's look let's look the how it works step by step. Start start from the first element of the array. Search the entire unsorted portion to find the smallest value. Swap that smallest value with the element at the current position. Move the current position one step to the right. Repeat this process until the entire array is sorted. Although it is simple, it is not the most efficient for large datasets because it always takes the same amount of time regardless of how short the data already is.
This pseudocode shows the basic structure of selection sort. There are two nested loops. The outer loop moves from the start to the end of the array, and the inner loop finds the smallest element in the remaining unsorting part. Once it found the smallest element, it performs swap operation to put it in the correct place. Now, let's talk about pro and con of selection sort. The advantage of selection sort is simple and easy to understand, doesn't require any additional memory in place sorting, and disadvantage is it inefficient for the large dataset and always has time complex of O n power 2 regardless of the input order.
Alright, to support our research and understanding of this algorithm, we use several online research including 1. YouTube tutorial, 2. Medium article, 3. Tutorial explanation. Finally, our team number are 1. กันตพัฒน์ส่งเสมอ 2. เคียวโงะยานางิ 3. ชาลัดแซ่ส่ง 4. ชลธีวรสาร and 5. ชัตตินันท์บริบูรณ์ We are from session 1 and we will get to express and present this algorithm. Thank you for listening.